A lot of tension happened in the house.
While you were still in the house?
Yes, a lot of tension. But it was when we came out that the main deeds were done. And I feel like I will not be able to go into great detail at the moment.
Why?
Because firstly, she's my family. Okay, I'm trying to put family here first. And especially the fact that most of the things that happened that, drove us apart happened after we came out of the show. I would rather keep it private, but this is something that a lot of family members have tried to resolve. But currently, quite sadly, we have not yet reached that middle ground yet.
NdiNne, this is your niece. So where do things go wrong with your niece?
Ebuka, so it's one thing to stand up for yourself, and it's another thing to be disrespectful while doing that, right? Now, I'm not trying to say because I'm her auntie, I want to boss her around. Ask her. I don't boss. If you see the way I relate with my niece, nephews at home, I don't boss anybody. I have never bossed her around.
So she was disrespectful to you?
She was disrespectful to me. But if she doesn't see it that way...
So she said it started in the house?
Yes, it started in the house.
So how come you couldn't have the conversation with your niece? Say, NdiNne, you're disrespecting me. How did it become
Okay, so Ebuka, when you start telling someone that, NdiNne, this thing you're doing, I don't like you, you're disrespecting me, and she goes, like, I'm an alpha female, you can't bend me, you get? So, like, what do you want me to do? I will leave you so that I will be the Z female and you be the alpha, like, something like that. And I take the blame for everything and anything, and that's fine. That's the only thing I'm going to stop at.
Do you think he chose Ruthie over you?
I wasn't available, so, he went for the next option. So, and me, I'm a girl. I love to be chased. Right? So, when...
Which he was doing?
He was at that time, but he got distracted with Ruthie.
Did you ever tell him that?
No, because, I'll go for the best.
Child.
And whoever comes for me that I feel like he was trying to keep up, but he was a bit distracted.
Now, seeing that, right, Sooj, do you think that played a role in it? And did you know that was happening with him in the picture?
Oh. I didn't know what was going on. I just knew that they used to talk, and she told me where, her head was at.
What did she say to you?
That he's trying to, yarn her, but...
And where did she say her head was?
She's not on a direct mission there.
Did that in some way define your friendship with Sooj?
Well, like I said, we had a rocky start. So, obviously, if a girl that, we had similar interests before, and then it wasn't the situation, and then he is now the next person line, it doesn't make it, I wouldn't say it's the best,
it doesn't make it any healthier.
Trajectory, yeah, exactly. But it didn't have anything to, because if, let's say we're guys, we've been gisting, and then, let's say, me and Nelly were supposed to have a thing, but it didn't happen. And then he came into the picture, then I slowly stopped talking to him or something like that. Yeah, you could say it took that turn, but we weren't necessarily talking. And at the same time, it doesn't mean anything, because while we were together, we're still friends. When I had issues, she always checked up. We always spoke about things that were just totally different, whether we're in a task together or not. So, it's what it is.
How are things with you and Sooj now? You guys talk?
We haven't had the opportunity to be in a space, confined space together, but when we do, we great.
Did you say to the twins that you wanted to fight with her?
I told them no. I know me, I don't hide my own. I even told the brother. I think
both of them?
I think I must have told him because we used to have conversations. I don't hide.
Why did you want to fight with her?
If you're coming out to call somebody out and try to pin the person like the person is gossiping and talking ill about Ben, knowing fully well that your friend just said something that is even a lie to you,
but I
don't feel like you're in a position, do you understand, to come and start calling me out. We are both guilty of the same thing.
Big brother Naija.